In today's video, let's talk about how to fix the Philippines bank app session expired. So whether you have the BDO, BPI, Metrobank or any other application or the bank, and if you're having issues with it using the application, the first thing that you need to ensure in this situation is that you have set the date and time to automatic within your phone settings. So simply head over to your phone settings, head over to the date and time settings and make sure that it is set to automatic. If this was not set to automatic previously, this is the exact issue that you're facing. This also could be happening due to network errors. What you can try out is try to switch your network from Wi-Fi to your cellular data or vice versa. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, this is likely happening due to app glitches or app bugs. So in this situation, what you can simply do is just reinstall the application. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be actually causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.